Hi everyone! Today I want to show you how this little tool can help you not only in your home office, in your kitchen, but also in your closet. And it can do 7 different things that will really save you a lot of trouble. So let me show you. This is just a letter opener. And the obvious thing is to open a letter with it. It's very easy. So I keep it in my kitchen drawer. So this is where I take care of my mail, and it's really easy just to open my letter, and if I don't need it, I put it in the recycling bin. I also use it in the kitchen for my plastic containers that have lids. And what I do is I just slide it across and it cuts open the lid. So sometimes I'll use the bottom, maybe I'll leave it in my sink to catch some of the scraps, or I can nest them, which makes recycling it a lot easier. It doesn't take up as much space. Also in the kitchen is when you get packaged food, and I know they usually cut out a little space here that you can just rip it, but I like to use the same letter opener and slide it across, and it just gives it a very clean cut, because sometimes when you rip it by hand it's not very straight. Now this gets a little more fun. Sometimes you'll buy something and it comes with a zip tie, and it's really difficult. They make it so tight that putting the tip of your scissors there makes it very hard to put it in there. So I use the same tool, and it just snaps off, and then you can easily pull off your zip tie. And in your closet, what I love is when you get clothes like this little pair of pants here, and they sew the tag on with a little thread. With the letter opener, you're able to get in there. Let me see. In between, you might have to squeeze a little bit, but with the scissors it'd be very hard to do, or you have to find a pair of scissors that has a very small tip. So this way, if you keep pushing it and stretching it, oh, this one's not really tight, but then the tag comes off. Or just a regular plastic tie, same thing. If you put the letter opener in between, it slides off very easily, and the tag comes off. And this one's my favorite, because a lot of times you buy pants or jackets, the pockets are sewn shut, or not shut, but they stitch it so to keep it flat. And I've made the mistake so many times of using scissors, and then I can't see very well, and then I end up cutting a hole in my clothes. So what this is really good for, the same thing, because it has this little tip, you can get in there. Let me just see if I can show you. You can get really close, and then you just undo the stitches all the way across, and that way your pocket opens. So there you go, one small tool, but 7 different ways that can make your life easier. So you can find these at your local office supply store, or of course there's Amazon, you can order it, but I keep one in my kitchen, in my desk drawer, and you can keep one in your closet too if you want. So I hope this will help you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.